In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this moving shape transition or morph effect. So starting with a blank slide, let's right click the background, click on Format Background, and change the background color to something darker. Now go to Insert, Text Box, and add in your title box and type in your title. Now go ahead and duplicate this text box by holding down Control and dragging down on it twice. Now in the second one, change the title to whatever subtitle you want. Then lastly, in the third one, type in your information text. Now select both of these text boxes and duplicate them as many times as you need by holding down Control and drag right on it. Now go ahead and change your subtitles as well as your information text in the preceding texts. Now once this is ready, go to Insert, Shapes, and add a rounded rectangle that engulfs point 4, or whatever last point you have. Reduce the roundedness a little bit by moving the yellow circle a little bit further back. Now change the shape outline to no outline and the shape fill to whatever color you desire. Now right click the shape and click on Send to Back. Now select all the text in the last point and change the text color to whatever color you chose for the background. Now duplicate the slide, and in the previous slide, move the shape over to cover point 3. Then select the text in point 3 and change it to black. Now repeat this for the remaining points. Now once you've done this for all the points, go ahead and change the background color of the shape for each slide. Once this is complete, select all the slides, go to Transitions, and select Morph. Now let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.